In our code, the first thing I will do is I will import all of the libraries that I just installed. So I will say import Firmata. The next thing I will do is import PyTTSX3, and then I will import the speech recognition. Now I will import it as SR, as it will be easier for me to simply use the SR word instead of writing speech recognition again and again. Now, another library that we need is a time library, as we might want our system to wait some time before executing different lines. So I will say import time. Time is a pre-built library in Python, and now before writing code to actually control the Arduino, we will first write our speak function and our take command functions. So first of all, I will define a new variable here, engine, and in it I will initialize the pyttsx3 library. So I will say pyttsx3 dot initialize. Now in the next line we will define what voice it will have. Either it will have a male voice or a female voice. So for this, first I will create a new variable, voices, and I will take it equal to engine dot get property, and in it I will call the member voice. Now all of our voices have been saved inside this variable right here. Now we can simply call a certain value from this variable. So I will say engine dot set property, and the property I was setting is the voice property. So I will say voice, and next to it I will write a comma, and now here I will call a member from the voices variable. Now usually it is 0 for male and 1 for female's voice. So I will go for the male's voice and 0. And the next thing I will do is I will call this member's ID here for setting it equal to the value of the voice property. Now our engine has been set. Now to check whether our PyTTSX3 module is working properly or not, I will go to the next line, and here I will do a simple test for checking whether it is working fine or it is giving us some error. So I will say engine dot. Now from the engine variable I will call the say function, say, and with it I will say hello world. Now I will move to the next line before running the code, and here I will call the run and wait function from our engine variable, as we want it to wait some time before exiting the program after running the line 10. So I will say engine dot run and wait. So I will save this file now, and we can simply run it to see if it works or not.
Hello world.
Working fine. So now we can move to our next command,